Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? It all starts with the mindset. You see, the way we think about wealth fundamentally influences how we pursue it. A growth mindset, one that sees potential and opportunity rather than limitations and scarcity, is vital in this journey. It's about believing in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Positive thinking plays a crucial role too. It's not about ignoring reality or setbacks, but rather focusing on opportunities and solutions. It's about seeing the glass as half full, not half empty. And let's not forget goal setting. Clear, specific, and realistic goals give you a roadmap to wealth. They provide direction and help measure progress. Consider the stories of self-made millionaires and billionaires. They didn't just stumble upon their wealth, they cultivated the right mindset, set clear goals, and maintained a positive outlook, even in the face of adversity. Remember, wealth building is not just about money, it's about your mindset. Cultivate a wealth-building mentality and the money will follow. Earning more money is the first step towards building wealth. Let's explore some ways to boost your income. There's a whole world of opportunities out there beyond your 9-to-5 job. Side hustles, for instance, can provide an additional income stream while allowing you to pursue your passions. From freelance writing to selling handmade crafts online, there's a side hustle for everyone. Now let's talk about passive income streams, the holy grail of wealth building. Passive income involves earning money with little to no active effort. Think rental properties, royalties from a book you've written, or even earning dividends from stocks. Yes, they require an initial investment of time or money, but the payoff can be a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. Boosting your income is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Diversify your income sources and watch your wealth grow. Investing is the key to making your money work for you. Let's dive into some strategic investing techniques. The basics of investing are simple: buy low, sell high. But to truly maximize your returns, you need to understand advanced strategies. Real estate, stocks, bonds, these are all assets that can grow your wealth. Opportunities abound in each, if you know where to look. Strategic investing is about taking calculated risks, and when done right, your money will multiply. Remember, investing is a crucial part of wealth building. Take calculated risks, and your money will grow. Taxes can take a big chunk out of your wealth. But with the right strategies, you can minimize your tax liability. Consider tax-efficient investment strategies like investing in tax-advantaged accounts or real estate. Additionally, don't overlook deductions. Keep track of your expenses related to your investments or businesses, as many can be written off. Even small deductions can add up over time. Optimizing your tax strategy can save you money and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Be smart with your taxes and your wealth will thank you. Building wealth is just the first step. The next step is preserving and passing on your wealth. This process, often overlooked, is as vital as earning the wealth itself. It involves smart estate planning, creating a will, and setting up trusts, ensuring your wealth benefits you and your loved ones for generations to come. Estate planning is not just for the ultra-rich. It's a crucial step for anyone interested in preserving their hard-earned wealth. By creating a comprehensive estate plan, you're not just mapping out the future of your assets, but you're also shaping the financial future of your loved ones. Creating a will is another essential part of this process. It provides clear instructions on how your assets should be distributed, ensuring your wishes are respected. Setting up trusts can offer tax advantages and provide a layer of protection against legal complications. Trusts are versatile tools that can be tailored to meet your specific needs and circumstances. Preserving your wealth and planning for your legacy is the final piece of the wealth-building puzzle. Plan wisely, and your wealth will last for generations.